Alright, so first and foremost, welcome to the channel. I'm Mike with 8526 Productions. Pretty excited to be actually finally getting the channel up and running as far as project builds. I do a little bit of everything. Not a master at any of this, so you can take whatever information you want to with a grain of salt. But I do enjoy rebuilding stuff. Not necessarily the newer stuff, all the computers and everything, although I do work with that, but it's not one of my favorite things to do. But today is a special day because I'll be picking up our new project, and it has been a total cluster, even trying to get it situated. Found a great deal on it. Actually found it on Craigslist. And was more than excited to get going on that soon. About to get rolling. Alright, so first and foremost, welcome to the channel. Pretty much a beautiful day outside today. What I'm going to be doing is picked up a project that we're going to be building. We're going to be going through it step by step, kind of assessing the damage today. I picked it up last night and it was like 1 o'clock in the morning. It's going to need some work, but overall I think it's pretty nice. It's going to look good when it's done. I'm going to show you now, and then I think probably going to go ahead and wash it because it's absolutely filthy. But it is a 1994 LT1 Z28 Camaro. It's a pretty cute little sticker there. That's not going to be bad at all. So my biggest concern is it does not start. Does not start, does not turn over. And I also believe that the problem that we have here is it is hydro-locked. The guy I got it from said it was actually, I believe the story was, he was a repo guy. He was chasing this car down 2 days before he actually was able to get it. It was running perfectly fine. Says the day that he goes out there and picks it up, he had to put it on the rollback. Did some research, looked around, and I believe this will be the first Camaro that I have worked on, but I believe it's probably going to be flooded from the intake manifold gasket, or the intake manifold gasket. This tends to be a huge problem with these things. I'm gonna get it cleaned up real fast, just for it's so dirty, and we will get started. I got the spark plugs out and it's extremely late, so I apologize for it being so dark. But I do believe the motor is no good. So, went through, changed out the spark plugs in it, or pulled the spark plugs out, tried to turn it over. It's not turning over. Thought maybe it was hung up. It's not looking good. So, definitely gonna have to replace the motor in it. At least I guess on the plus side we did get it cleaned up today. But other than that, it's like going on almost 11 o'clock right now. So we are back for the second day. Cleaned it up a good little bit though. But anyway, obviously I worked on it the night before. Ended up having a lot of issues, or a lot more issues than what I thought. It's really not that big a deal. Unfortunately, these motors are a little bit more on the expensive side around here. But about 99% positive I'm going to have to go ahead and pull this one out. I will say this though, and I know a million other people have already made videos on it and whatnot, but the spark plug replacement on these, a complete pain. It just makes a which, if it's not dead, I'll try it again. And these are some pretty sweet seat covers here though. Maybe dead. No. But okay. This is what it's doing. Okay. That ain't what you want. Might be stream catcher here that added about 25 extra horsepower. Probably just sent this pure Americana white trash to its grave. That's what I'm gonna do. But you can see though, I mean, it's held up pretty good. I don't know. Try to zoom in right there. 128,568. So that's what we're working with. All right, so underneath it, you can kind of see. Well, it's a little bit concerning. All this white stuff is coolant. All right, I'm gonna go in. You got some leaks still here. But my biggest concern is I'm gonna go ahead. Some idiots already apparently jacked the car up right there, so that's good. But I'm gonna go ahead and pull this, and we'll see what the oil looks like. That's nice. Oh yeah. That's gonna be a problem. That is not what you want to happen. Well, I'm sure by now, at this point, considering this has been running out for at least 3 to 4 minutes, that you probably can tell this is no good. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove this oil filter and see what that looks like. I'm sure it's just as pretty. Oh God. That looks good. I'm gonna let this finish draining out. Probably won't be done. It probably won't be done doing that until tomorrow. Well, the whole thing is coming out. Now just gonna go through, take the intake off. So I'm taking all the intake bolts off. Other head is out, and as you can tell, head gaskets were bad. That's the old one right there. Now I just got to look to see if we're going to rebuild this one or if it's just going to be cheaper to go ahead and put another one in. Last thing I was going to say, so now that we've got that done, we're going to go in, try to piece out the heads, see what else we need to do, or if we're just going to rip the entire thing out. I'm looking forward to it. It's going to be a little bit of work, but again, it's been neglected, so this was kind of expected. All right, if you hadn't, make sure you go ahead and subscribe, leave a comment, let me know what you think of it so far.